Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install VLC Media Player into your Ubuntu operating system. So before installing, to check if VLC Media Player is already installed into your system or not, you can just type Ctrl Alt and T to open the terminal, or you can directly open from this show application and search for terminal and just search for VLC. So if it shows something like command VLC not found, then VLC Media Player is not installed. So now to install VLC Media Player, you can just type sudo snap and just type install and just type VLC and enter your password. So this should start installing the VLC Media Player into your Ubuntu operating system. So here you can see the VLC Media Player has been successfully installed. So to make this VLC Media Player as your default video player, so you can just go into this show application here and search for default application. So just click on that, and here you can see on music and video, so the another video player is set as default. So let me just choose VLC Media Player on music and also for video. And if I just close here, and suppose I just want to play some videos, so let me just go into files, and if I just double click onto this video, so this should open in VLC Media Player now. So let me just click on continue and just press on continue. So you can see the video has been successfully opened in VLC Media Player. So this is how you install VLC Media Player onto your Ubuntu operating system and also make it as your default video player. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.